What's up, vloggers? I'm the Lukester coming at ya. Had a wonderful evening. I got a new treat from this man here, Douglas Robert, the Donald Trump Cardin. But anyways, I'm going to be sending you whole new and great videos for all our YouTube viewers. It's going to come straight at you from the Lukester. And I'm going to show you a whole new world full of fun, full of excitement. And yes, you better buckle in your safety belts because I ain't holding back. I'll see you later this evening, and you never know where I'll be or what I'll be doing.